on that. Sorry about that.
Oh,
It's very kawaii.
Do you like my tattoo?
It's very kawaii and zen.
Yeah, because look how kawaii we are. Oh my god, there's one.
Kawaii and zen. So let's head on in to the room.
Okay.
So I think
It's really awesome.
Now over
so first
here.
part of our. One sec.
sorry about that.
So, first part of our thing, we have our big trophy that we won in 2016. We got #1 ASMR video, Stella Park. Look, there's even a YouTube symbol. Okay, that's definitely not.
And this is when we get sick.
We like put it in our
Oh
mouth.
my gosh.
We just thought we had to have that here. So,
And this
Stacy did that, and she thought it was really cute.
very zen. Zen.
Okay, put it back. So then here we have like, I don't even know what that thing is.
Now
but-
down we go.
So here's where we're gonna keep all our snacks, but at the
Over
bottom,
here?
yeah, at the bottom, that's like chocolate, that's like just any food, and then down there, that's gonna be like normal drinks, and these are gonna be like unknown drinks over here that not people know about. Oh my god, look, kawaii mat.
And then if you look at the poster, it matches the mat.
It matches all like the colors.
Yes.
It matches all the colors. So here's our friend Cameron's chair.
The holy chair of Cameron.
Okay, so over here we have like a beautiful zen like thing.
Come
and
over
then
here.
Over here. Come, Cameron, come. So over here we have bring your hold me. Okay, and then there's like different ziggy zaggy patterns, and then it's a grandma's dream.
The dream of the grandma.
Okay, and over here we have an IKEA hook.
Now,
With currently one of our friend's sweaters. And also look, there's chargers over there. There's chargers over there. And now, where we will
the
be
grand
filming.
finale. Beautiful. So this is our new table thing. This is our beanbag chairs.
And we're going to be doing the rest of our ASMRs here. We think it's really cool. But that's not it. So over here we have a closet filled with unknown things. And you can't know about that until our last video ever, which is probably in like 300 years.
And
So
here,
here, we believe in Jesus.
yeah, the holy Jesus.
So here's our Lindor. It's our sacred Lindor.
And these are just
Okay, so now we must bow to Jesus. Oh my god, and don't you love it? Isn't it so like beautiful?
so zen and DIY.
And look,
So
there's
this is a
even-
hack for your necklaces.
Yeah. Just put a hanger on a plain hook. It doesn't really, plain hook. It doesn't really.
Get it? Plain hook. Like plain.
Like,
Get it?
but it's like plain, like what? Plain white. So,
So anyways, we hope you guys liked this video. And make sure to like, give it a big fat like
thumbs up,
because
and like and subscribe down
down
below.
below.
But if you already did, that's okay. So, we love you guys so
So
much. And comment down below what you think we should add to our room or what you like about it. We love you guys so much. Goodbye.